Hello, I'm going to do an unboxing of this Nomad Rocky Point band that I ordered to replace the Scuba band on my Apple Watch Ultra 2. I just got it. This one is the special carbon black edition. So, let's see. Well, it looks pretty cool. I don't think there's really much to it. Having trouble installing Apple Watch band on your Apple Watch? I hope not. It's pretty sweet, black on black. I have the natural titanium Apple Watch, so I was hoping it would look kind of cool with the titanium and then just the all black band. Also has the black hardware. Take this off. Should be water. It said 100% waterproof on it. And let's see. About the same thickness from what I could tell. Maybe a little bit thinner on the middle with this one. I really do not like this latching system here. It's super annoying. It does not work well in my opinion. There's honestly not a lot about that band that I enjoy. So, let's see how this looks. Oh, did I already do it wrong? No. I think it looks pretty cool. Let's see if it's easy to, I'm sure it's pretty easy to size. Maybe. See, I can do one more. Okay, that is already way more comfortable than this thing. I like it. That's pretty much it. Just want to show you guys what came in the box. There's nothing else in here. Took a little longer to get here than I would hope. Just this tiny little box. It took like 4 days in California. Come on, let's see what else it says. FKM infused with carbon powder. Special carbon black edition. Grade 5 black titanium hardware. Durable, compression molded FKM. Designed for Apple Watch Ultra. Anyway, take it easy. Bye.